Welcome to this video. Today we will guide you through how to clear cache and junk files in Windows 11. Start off, we'll go to the search bar and type in run. Then we will run the temp folder, spelled T-E-M-P, T-E-M-P. Then hit enter. This will open the temporary folder. We'll select one file, press Ctrl A, right click, then delete. Some of the files may not delete, we'll just click skip. Then we'll close it. Next, we will also search run again. Go to the search bar, type in run, and this time we will type in the folder percentage TEMP percentage. Click enter. Similarly, click a file, press the shortcut Ctrl A, right click, and then delete. Skip all files, which cannot be deleted. Then we're done. Then we close. Once again, we will also open run. We can use the shortcuts Windows plus R. And this time we will type in prefetch, spelled P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H. You say you may not have access, you'll just press continue. Then we'll select one file, Control A, right click, and delete again. And then we close. Once you've deleted all your files, you go to the recycle bin, select it, right click, and empty the recycle bin. Once your recycle bin is cleared, close it. Another thing we can do is open Clean Manager. To do this, once again, open Run. And this time type in Clean Manager with the spelling CLEENMGR and hit Enter. It has opened the window. And then we'll select the files that we want to delete. And after selecting, we will then enter OK. And it will ask us if it want to permanently delete these files. I want to do that, so I'll click Delete Files. And that's about it. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.